Okay, there has been a couple of requests to do a quick tutorial on how to put these cowrie shells on your protective style called the Siku twist. And so I am going to show you how easy it is to install these cowrie shells. All you do is take a couple of bunches of hair and start twisting them in the opposite direction. Not tight, but just so that your hair can stay together. I like to start out though first with spraying my hair and putting conditioner in my hair and then twisting it. So here I am twisting my two strands together and trying to make sure that I get all the pieces of hair in the twist. And if you can, untwist and start retwisting just to try and get the ends of your locks in the twist. Go all the way down as far as you can, and then you take the ends and just turn them up and tuck them in. And you're going to take a soft little rubber band and just band those ends together, just two turns, just enough to hold it until you get your shell together. Now these are cowrie shells that the backs are cut so that you can thread the rubber band in the back. I will have the link to where you can get those on Amazon. Simply take your rubber band and thread it through the front of the shell, and it will come through the back. Be very careful and reach in to one of the sides of the rubber band and grab the other side and gently pull through, making a loop onto the shell. And you simply take the rubber band, the loop of the rubber band, remove the temporary rubber band from your hair, and make sure you don't put the rubber band on too tight. You don't want to cut the ends of your hair. And actually this style can be done whether you have locks or not. It can be done on loose natural hair. And all you do is wind the band on a couple of turns until you get the shell onto your hair. And then try to turn the hair around and try to just tuck it in the hole of the shell. If you can, that's fine. If not, it's okay. Just make sure you don't have it on too tight because you don't want to compromise the ends of your hair. And there you have it. The Siku with the cowrie shells on the end. One of my favorite styles. I hope you enjoy.